Can you solve this ACT math problem? Let me know the answer in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so what we have here is what value of x makes the equation negative 1 over 81 equals negative 3 to the power x true. So what we are going to try to do here first is we notice the negatives before the left side and the right side. So we're going to try to eliminate eliminate the negative. Now this can be written as negative 1 over 81 equals negative 3 to the power of x. So this negative is basically like a negative 1, okay? Because if there's nothing, that means it's a negative 1. And if you divide both sides by negative 1, that goes ahead and eliminates that. So now you have all positives, okay? All right. So step 2 is notice that we have 81. So 81 can be expressed as 3 to the power of something. So that's what we are going to do. So whenever we have problems like this, we're going to try to see if we can express 81 as 3 to the power of something. Okay, so what is that going to be? So 1 divided by 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is going to be 81, because 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27 times 3 is 81. So which is basically equal to 1 divided by 3 to the 4th power, because as you know, the exponents will get added by the laws of exponents. Okay, all right. Now this can be further simplified using the laws of exponents. We can write this as 3 to the power of negative 4. Why is that? Because remember, 1 divided by x to the power of m can be written as x to the power of negative m by taking that into the numerator and making the exponent negative. Okay, so that is one of the rules of exponents we are using here, and we wrote this at 3 to the power of negative 4. Okay, so next step is let's go ahead and make our left equals right, because we have 3 to the power of x on the right hand side. On the left hand side we have we have 3 to the power of negative 4 equals 3 to the power of x. Now set the exponents equal. Why is that? Because we have the same base, and that's again a law of exponents. So let's make them equal. So we can write negative 4 equals x, which is going to be our final answer. Why? Because we had the same base 3. When you have the same base 3, the exponents can be written set to be equal to each other, which is choice A is the correct answer, okay, which is negative 4. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are interested in my upcoming SAT, ACT course, let me know in the comments below. Have a nice day. Bye.